to put timer on a Google Forms, first you need to click the three dots or more, then click add-ons, and after clicking the add-ons, search Google Form timer. So ito, Google Form timer for Google Forms. So you need to click this one, timer for Google Forms. And after clicking, so you need to install timer for Google Forms. So this one. Okay, you need to click install. Okay, after installs, sign in to the timer for Google Forms. Continue lang yung Gmail account niyo. Then select edit create. Pwede din i-select nyo lahat or select all. Okay, pwede select all, then continue. Then done. Okay, close lang. So then punta kayo dito sa add-ons. Next step is click add-ons, click timer for Google Forms, then click open. So ito na lumabas sa form timer for the quizzes exams. Okay, so first is we need to sign in our Google account. Choose lang Google account. After that, click continue. Then click continue again. So after time sign in, after tayo nag-sign in is meron na tayong timer. Okay, so you need to set hours and minutes, and how many minutes yung exam niyo. Example, for 50 items is good for 1 hour, so you need to set an hour. Example, your exam is good for 30 minutes, you need to set 30 minutes for an exam. Okay, then after that, you need to click sync response times and results sheets. So pwede din nyo i-review. Click preview para makita natin yung time. Okay, sa preview, mayroong time allowed that is 30 minutes for the specific quiz. Okay. Then we need to click sync to the time response para makaset na yun lahat sa Google Form. So yun lang, and thank you.